Okay, now, so where did both of them go? Where did Peggy and Maddie go?
To Morgan Heights, where
Yes.
Wanda used to live.
Uh, yes, why did they go to the Boggins Heights?
Ma'am, to say sorry to Wanda.
Yes, to say sorry to Wenda. Okay. And what did Maddie feel about Wenda? Yes, Vita.
Ma'am,
What
she
did
feels very bad for Wanda
uh,
when Peggy would tease her.
yes, when Peggy made fun of her, she felt very bad. But she could not speak. She couldn't stop Peggy, okay, from criticizing her, right? And now she decides that if anybody now being criticized, she is going to speak up for her and stop the other person for making fun of that person or for criticizing her. Okay, अब वो सोचती है कि अब कोई criticize करेगा तो मैं उसको रोक दूंगी, right? उसकी कोई हंसी उड़ाएगा तो मैं रोक दूंगी, even चाहे वो पैगी क्यों ना हो. Okay, come to the last para. Should I begin? If she ever heard anybody picking means criticizing somebody. Picking means criticizing somebody on someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, she would speak up. Okay. Now she decides rather that if she ever heard, if she ever listens, if she ever sees that anybody is being criticized because of the funny names, because of the way the person looks, or because of their appearances, okay, or because of the clothes, whatever it is, she would not be quiet, she would not feel shy, and she would speak up for that person, okay, and would stop the other one for criticizing him or her, even if it meant losing Peggy's friendship. Okay, now see, she had become so bold that even if she loses Peggy's friendship, it would hardly matter, but even she would stop, Maddie would stop Peggy from criticizing anybody. She had no way of making things right with Venda, but from now on, she would never make anybody else that unhappy again. Okay, now she thinks that she cannot go, she could not go in the past. Got it? And she could not amend, she could not change things. Whatever happened with Venda, it cannot be changed. But from now onwards, from then onwards, she decided that she is not going to make anybody sad. She's not going to make anybody happy like Venda. Okay, like Venda, she used to become very sad, very unhappy. Okay, when she was being criticized. So this thing, it would never happen again. Maddie decides. समझ में आ गया? Clear, बेटा? What
Yes,
happened
ma'am.
10th class? Is it clear or not? So why all are
Yes,
dumb?
ma'am.
बाकी तो सब यूं ही बस, they just join the class and they must be roaming here and there. You cannot even answer yes or no. Only few students are there. A few. Khushi, Irfan, today Rahul is not there. Otherwise, nobody, nobody opens his or her mouth. Very disgusting. Come to the page number 77. Okay. On Saturday, Maddie spent the afternoon with Peggy. They were writing a letter to Wanda Petronaski. Now Saturday had come and Maddie, she had spent the afternoon time with Peggy. Why? Because they both started writing a letter to Wanda Petronaski. It was just a friendly letter telling about the contest and telling Wanda that she had won. Okay. Now they were writing a letter to Wanda and they had written that a very friendly letter they had written that the contest, it was held in the school, and yes, and she had been the winner of 100 dresses. They told her how pretty her drawings were. Okay, they also wrote, they also praised the drawings of 100 dresses that were made by Venda. And they asked her if she liked her where she was living and if she liked her new teacher. ठीक है, all these things were written in the letter कि अब जिस place पर she had shifted to a new place now is did she like that place, and did she even like the new school and the new teacher. They had meant to say they were sorry, but it ended up with the just writing a friendly letter, the kind they would have written to any good friend. Okay. Now see, they wanted to write down and they wanted to feel sorry, but they ended up the letter, okay, just with a friendly note, as if you're writing to a friend, in which you never apologize or you never feel sorry for anything. So similarly, they wrote the letter and they signed it with lots of X's for love. They mailed the letter to Vaughan's Height, writing, please forward on the envelope. Got it? Now see, they wrote a letter, both of them, you know, they wrote a letter. Okay, and it was a very friendly letter. Who were writing the letter? Who were
Ma'am,
writing?
Peggy
Yes,
and
Ma'am,
Fatima.
Peggy and
Peggy and
Maddie.
Maddie.
Yes,
Peggy and
Peggy
Maddie.
and Maddie. And to whom were they writing, beta?
Ma'am, Vonda Petronsky.
Yes, very good. And they had written down a very friendly letter, okay, in which they tell her about the contest that was being held, and she was the winner there, and she had made real beautiful drawings. Okay, and then they ask her whether they like the school, like whether she liked the school, the new one in which she might have got the admission, and the place where she had been living now. Okay, and finally they wanted to feel sorry. Okay, but you know, they did not have so much of courage to write this, that we are really sorry for our behavior. इतनी उनके अंदर हिम्मत नहीं थी, तो एक फ्रेंडली लेटर जैसे लिखा जाता है, एंड अप करा जाता है, वैसे ही उन्होंने एंड अप कर दिया, बॉगिन्स हाइट पर मेल कर दिया और उस पर लिख दिया प्लीज फॉरवर्ड. ओके, यानी if the address is not there at the address and if the address has been changed, समझ में आया, तो मेल में जब लेटर जाता है तो न्यू एड्रेस पर उसको सेंड कर दिया जाता है. क्लियर बेटा? Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Only for few students it is clear. बाकी तो किसी के लिए क्लियर होता ही नहीं है. No yes, no more, no. Days passed on and there was no answer, but the letter did not come back, so maybe Venda had received it. Now see, many days had passed and there wasn't any answer they both received, and even the letter, it did not return, okay, to Peggy and Maddie. It means unko possibility thi maybe Venda might have received the letter. Perhaps she was so hurt and angry, she was not going to answer. And they thought that शायद वो इतनी hurt है, इतनी angry है उन दोनों से, that is why she had not responded. She did not answer to the letter. You could not blame her. Weeks went by and still Venda did not answer. Okay, and now you could not blame her. Okay, how can you blame Venda for not answering? She was right if she did not answer. Why? Both of these girls, they insulted her so much. Okay, they made fun of her so much that she was so hurt, so much hurt and so angry that she did not answer. Now weeks went by and still Venda did not answer. Now many weeks passed, but still there wasn't any answer from Venda. Okay, they did not receive any letter. Peggy had begun to forget the whole business, and Maddie put herself to sleep at night making speeches about Venda. Now what happened? Peggy, you know, she forget everything. Okay, slowly and slowly she started forgetting all these things. धीरे धीरे वो सब भूलने लगी. And Maddie put herself to sleep at night, और Maddie जब सोती तो मन में वो कई speeches जो थी उसके लिए तैयार कर लेती. ठीक है ना? कि किस तरह से वेर है ना वो उसको डिफेंड कर सकती है, कैसे सॉरी फील कर सकती है, दिस एंड दैट. Defending her from great crowds of girls who were trying to tease her with. How many dresses have you got? And before Venda could press her lips together in a tight line, the way she did before answering, Maddie would cry out, stop. And then everybody would feel ashamed the way she used to feel. So now Peggy, you know, she had started a... Good morning, Rahul.
Good morning, ma'am.
You're late today, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You know where we are doing it is page number 77 and the second last para. Okay?
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now Peggy, you know, she began to forget, okay, all these things. But Maddie, while sleeping, she used to create a scene in which she thought that everybody, you know, they are making fun of Venda, they are criticizing her, they have surrounded her, and they are just teasing her by putting up this question that how many dresses she had. Okay, and she makes a scene, she creates a scene in her mind, and as soon as anybody, you know, she was about to answer and they put up this question, she used to imagine कि वो interrupt करेगी and stop करेगी so that all of them could end up. Okay, they should be ashamed. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Got
Ma'am,
everybody?
ma'am,
Yes, Amiksha.
ma'am, here it is a line that you could not blame her. Ma'am, who is you here?
You means the person, the people. Nobody can blame. Okay, the writer, you know, he's writing that you could not blame her. Means if she did not answer, then nobody can blame her. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's written by the writer. Okay, he says that you cannot blame Venda. If we say, even if we think, just look, Venda, she did not reply this Maddie and Peggy, तो writer कहते हैं उसके लिए आप लोग उसको blame नहीं कर सकते. Nobody can blame her. Why? Because she was so much insulted. Okay, and she
Yes,
was so
ma'am.
much
Hurt
hurt
feeling.
and angry that it was not her fault if she did not reply. Peggy and Maddie, they deserved not to be replied. Okay, वो ये deserve भी करते थे कि वो जवाब नहीं दे. फिर पैगी जो है वो तो धीरे धीरे सारी चीजें भूलने लगी और मैडी वाइल स्लीपिंग एक सीन क्रिएट करती थी अपने माइंड में जिसमें वो ये समझती थी कि नाउ शी हैड बिकम वेरी बोल्ड एंड द गर्ल्स दे हैव सराउंडेड वेंडा और उसको छेड़ रही हैं और पूछ रही हैं हाउ मेनी ड्रेसेस है ना यू हैव उससे क्वेश्चन पुट अप कर रही हैं. तो जैसे ही वो बेचारी जवाब देने की कोशिश करेगी और ये मैडी ये सब सुनेगी तो तुरंत वो सबको स्टॉप कर देगी. ओके, एकदम जोर से चिल्लाएगी जस्ट स्टॉप. ओके, और जैसे स्टॉप बोलेगी एवरीबडी वुड बी अशेम्ड ऑफ देयर एक्ट एंड दे वुड बी क्वाइट. क्लियर?
मैम उसके लिए मैम उसकी मैम जो पेगी है उससे फ्रेंडशिप भी तोड़नी पड़े मैम उसके लिए भी तैयार होगी मैम.
हाँ, लेकिन वो बेटा अब इमेजिन कर रही है, एक्चुअली वेंडा तो है नहीं. ओके,
यस मैम.
मैडी इतना गिल्टी फील कर रही है कि सपोज अब ऐसा हो तो वो सोते टाइम यही सीन देखती रहती थी कि गर्ल्स ने उसको सराउंड कर लिया है और जैसे ही गर्ल्स उसको टीज कर रही हैं तो वो सबको स्टॉप कर देगी. इतनी डेयरनेस उसके अंदर आ गई. ठीक है. Now it was Christmas
Yes,
time
ma'am.
and there was snow on the ground. Christmas bells and a small tree decorated the classroom. On the last day of school before the holidays, the teacher showed the class a letter she had received that morning. अब Christmas time हुआ, okay, snowfall होने लगा. Christmas bells or small trees, all the classrooms were decorated. It was the last day before the school. मालूम है Christmas holidays होते हैं, we all know, okay. So before the holidays, it was the last day of the school. टीचर ने एक लेटर बताया टू द क्लास विच शी हैड रिसीव्ड इन द मॉर्निंग. नाउ व्हाट वाज द लेटर? यू रिमेंबर, अब ये टीचर कहती है यू रिमेंबर वेंडा पेट्रोनिस्की द गिफ्टेड लिटिल आर्ट इज गिफ्टेड. यू गॉट इट? who had what? Who had been gifted
Yes,
by
ma'am.
God. हाँ,
Yes,
God
ma'am.
gift थी उसके अंदर ये talents था of making beautiful drawings. Okay, the gifted little artist who won the drawing contest. Well, she has written me, and I'm glad to know where she lives because now I can send her medal. I want to read her letter to you. अब वो इस क्लास को एड्रेस करती है टीचर एंड देन शी सेज यू रिमेंबर वेंडा पेट्रोनस्की द गिफ्टेड गर्ल ओके एंड शी वाज द विनर ऑफ द कॉन्टेस्ट एंड she has written to me and I'm very happy to know that very happy to know the place where she lives. Why? Because now I can send the medal to her that she had won, and I want to read this letter for you that was written by Vanda. The class sat up with a sudden interest and listened intently. Intently means very carefully. Everybody started listening. Dear Miss Mason, how are you and room 13? Please tell the girls they can keep those 100 dresses because in my new house I have 100 new ones all lined up in my closet. I would like that girl Peggy to have the drawing of the green dress with the red trimming and her friend Maddie to have the blue one. For Christmas, I miss that school and my new teacher does not equalize with you, means she is not like you. Merry Christmas to you and everybody. Okay. So now the letter it began in a very friendly manner. Got it? And Venda, she asked everybody that how was everyone there and how was class 13. Okay. And she says that just tell the girls, all my classmates to keep those 100 dresses because now she's having a new house there. She had made new 100 dresses, okay, all lined up in a closet. And then she especially mentions that Peggy, she can have the drawing of the green dress that has a red trimming, and her friend Maddie, she can have the blue dress, okay. And for Christmas I missed that school, and she says that during Christmas she's missing the school very much, and she finally winds up the letter by saying that my new teacher, she cannot equalize you, matlab she cannot replace the old one, okay, this teacher, okay, मेरी जो नई टीचर है वो आपको replace नहीं कर सकती हैं. और फिर वो end up करती है by saying or by wishing everybody Merry Christmas. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
On the way home from school, Maddie and Peggy held their drawings very carefully. All the houses had wreaths and woolly in the windows. Outside the grocery store, hundreds of Christmas trees were stacked, and in the window, candy, peppermint sticks, and cornucopias of shiny, transparent cornucopias का meaning लिखा हुआ decorative containers, okay, full of flowers और ये सब fruits रहते हैं ना सुंदर सुंदर containers जिसमें flowers और fruits रहते हैं. Of shiny transparent paper was strung. The air smelled like Christmas. यानी पूरा माहौल Christmas का था. And light shining everywhere reflected different colors on the snow. Okay. अब Christmas season था तो सारी जो houses थे, okay, they were decorated with wreaths and holly in the windows. Okay. Holly क्या होता है? Oh, holy actually not that holy. This is HOLLY. The meaning it's not there, you can write down. It is a shrub, okay, having green leaves. Write down a shrub having green leaves. Green leaves and small white flowers and red berries. Decoration में Christmas decoration में use होता है बेटा वो. Writing shrub having green leaves, dark green leaves होती है उसमें, okay, उसके white flowers होते हैं, red berries होती है. तो उससे सबके हाउसेस डेकोरेटेड थे. जो ग्रोसरी शॉप थी उसके बाहर भी बहुत सारी है ना स्टॉक था पूरा क्रिसमस ट्रीज का, ठीक है. कैंडी, पेपरमेंट स्टिक्स और कॉर्नोकोपियस मैंने बता ही दिया, इसमें लिखा हुआ जो डेकोरेटिव कंटेनर्स थे दे वर strung there, और शाइनी पेपर से strung होके डेकोरेटेड थे, they were kept there. और पूरा smelled, मतलब air smell means the whole atmosphere, okay? It seemed to be a very festive one. लग रहा था कि festival season है, Christmas season है, और light, it was shining everywhere, and those lights, they reflected different colors on the snow. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, we'll stop here only, beta. It's 8:30, okay? Thank you, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta.
Thank you,
God
ma'am.
bless you all. God bless.